Take page number 42. Amrita Roshni, page number 42.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is very important question from past adjustment. Actually, this is the second type of question. Before this, we solved many questions. For example, suppose interest on capital is not paid by the business to the partner, we will pay, and whatever the expense comes, we will distribute among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Suppose interest on drawing is not given by the partners, we will take from partners by debiting their capital account, then again we will credit it, because whenever partner pays anything, it is income for the business, and if it is income for the business, again the income will be distributed among the partners in profit sharing ratio. In this way we used to do. This is the second case, which is very important. Already this question has come in boards. The profit has been distributed among the partners in wrong ratio, because profit needs to be distributed among the partners in the given ratio in partnership deed. The given ratio is 5 is to 4 is to 1. But read the question carefully. The question says the net profit of rupees 72,000 for the year ended 31st March 2020 was divided equally among partners. They should distribute the profit in 5 is to 4 is to 1. But partners distributed profit in which ratio? Equally. 72,000 divided by 3. So, wrong profit distribution has been done. It is a very big mistake. And they didn't provide interest on capital. They didn't charge interest on drawing, and the profit is also distributed in wrong ratio. All these are the mistakes done. So now how we are going to rectify? Always first, as usual, we have to prepare the adjustment table, particular right and name of the partners. Rohit, Raman, Raina. Rohit, Raman, Raina, these assume that these are the capital accounts. Total assume it as PL appropriation account. Now, interest on capital, firm did not provide. So first what the firm needs to do? Firm needs to pay interest on capital to the partners. So how firm will pay? Firm will credit partners capital account. It comes to 10,000, 6,000, 8,000. Simply whatever capital given, just calculate the rate. Like 5% interest on capital, 5% of 2 lakh, 5% of 1 lakh 20,000 and 5% of 1 lakh 60,000. You will get 10,000, 6,000, 8,000. Now what is the total expenses of the business? That is in PL appropriation account debit side we have to write 24,000 to interest on capital. That's it. Interest on drawing, it is also not charged by the business. Now charge it. For that you have to calculate. So read the question carefully regarding interest on drawing. What the question says? Interest on drawing, each partner's amount is given, date is not given. Okay, date is not given in the question, only the amount is given, and during the year the word has been used. 15,000 each partner withdraws. What is the meaning of this? You have to assume the time period for 6 months, 6 by 12. Whenever date is not given, during the year is mentioned in the question. So if you calculate interest on drawing one time, it is enough. Why? Because the same amount has been withdrawn by all the partners and date is not given for any partner. So if you calculate one in this question one time, it is enough. Same amount of interest on drawing will come for all the partners. So interest on drawing calculation, all these you have to show in working notes. Adjustment table is also part of working note only. So 15,000 into rate 4 by 100 into 6 by 12 the time period, 300. Each partner Rohit, Raman, Raina will pay 300 interest on drawing to the firm. So interest on drawing debit. Whenever partner pays anything to the firm, we debit their capital account. So Rohit will pay 300, Raman 300, Raina 300. We have written in bracket. They are going to pay to the firm. Total 900. That is the income for the business, for the firm. In PL appropriation account, you will show in the credit side by interest on drawing, because it is income for the business. Business is getting from partners, so it is income. Now, the wrong distribution of profit. The entire 72,000 profit has been distributed in wrong ratio. So what the business will do? Business will okay, just a moment. First what you have to do, this PL appropriation account, okay, just imagine PL appropriation account. You're going to prepare PL appropriation in your mind, okay. So imagine in PL appropriation account, debit side all expenses and losses, credit side all income and gain of business, not of partners. Don't get confused. Whenever you prepare partners capital account, whatever partner is getting, it will increase capital, you will write in the credit side. Whatever partner is paying to the firm, it is expense for the partner, you will write in the debit side. But whenever you prepare PL appropriation account, it is opposite. Debit side expenses, credit side income. So you have to decide which is expense for the business and which is income for the business. If you are preparing PL appropriation account, interest on capital, it is paid by business to the partners. So it is expense for the business. You have to write in the debit side to interest on capital. Now interest on drawing, what is that? Interest on drawing is income for the business. Why? Partners are paying interest on drawing to the business. So you will write in the credit side by interest on drawing 900. So interest on capital, business will pay 24,000 and interest on drawing, how much? Interest on drawing, business will get 900. Okay. Now what is going to happen? The profit which we have distributed in wrong ratio, this is 72,000 distributed in wrong ratio. Now we have to distribute the profit in the correct ratio. What is the correct ratio given? 5:4:1. In this ratio you have to distribute the profit. So which profit you are going to distribute now? The left out profit. What is the meaning of left out profit? 24,000 minus 900. 24,000 is the expense, 900 is the income of the business. So if you deduct income 900 from expense 24,000, what will be the left out profit with the business? How much profit the business is having now? For how much? 40, just a moment, 48,900. Okay, 48,900 48,900 is the profit left with the business for distribution. Now this profit will be distributed in the right ratio, correct ratio, that is 5:4:1. So Rohit will get how much? 24,450 and Raman will get 19,560. Raina will get 4,890. In this way 48,900 profit will be distributed among the partners in correct ratio 5:4:1. That is the net divisible profit left with the business after providing what? All the expenses. In PL appropriation account you will write that 72,000 profit also. Okay, first what you will do, whatever the profit is given you will write in the credit side PL appropriation account. Why you are writing now? Because already the profit has been distributed in wrong ratio, right? Now what will happen? The business will ask from the partners. The business will tell to the partners, already I have distributed the profit in wrong ratio, please pay the profit back to me, then I will rectify my mistakes, then whatever the net divisible profit is left I will give you in the correct ratio. So the partners will pay the 72,000 which they got in wrong ratio to the business. Now when you prepare PL appropriation account, the business will take back from partners the wrong distribution of profit 72,000. It is going to have 72,000 in the credit side. Business will take back the profit from partners. Why? There is a reason. Business has distributed in wrong ratio. That is why it is asking back the profit. Now business is having 72,000 plus this 900 interest on drawing. This much profit is available with the business. Now interest on capital business will pay to the partners, that is 24,000, 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 8,000. So after paying 24,000 out of the profit, the left out profit will be 48,900. That is the divisible profit, net divisible profit. This profit will be distributed among Rohit, Raman, Raina in 5:4:1. Till here any doubt you are having? Any doubt? Amrita, Roshni, any doubt till here you are having?
No, ma'am.
Okay. In normal case means whenever the profit is distributed in correct ratio, no need to take back the profit from partners. In this question, why we are asking the profit from partners? Because firm distributed the profit equally. Profit should be distributed in 5:4:1. That is the reason we are taking back the profit from partners, and after paying interest on capital and charging interest on drawing the left out profit, we are distributing in correct ratio. This is the reason. So now if you see the net effect, what will happen? Rohit is going to get interest on capital 10,000 and Rohit will pay 300 to the firm. So from 10,000 just deduct 300 and again Rohit will get his correct share of net profit 24,450. If you solve these 10,000 plus 24,450 minus 300, if you do, finally Rohit needs to get from firm 34,150. That is why we are crediting his capital account. Firm needs to pay 34,150 to Rohit. What about Raman? 19,560 he will get from firm. 6,000 interest on capital also he will get. Add these two figures. And Raman will pay interest on drawing to the firm 300. Deduct this 300. Again Raman will get from business 25,260. Credit balance. Now Raina will get 8,000 interest on capital from firm. Then she will get her share of profit 4,890 from firm. Add these two positive figures. Then Raina will pay to the firm 300. That is interest on drawing. Deduct this 300. Finally Raina will get 12,590. So total 72,000. Whatever 72,000 is the total amount of profit taken back from partners, and then out of that profit interest on capital provided, interest on drawing also charged. Now last what you have to do, as I told you, we means business is asking the profit from the partners. So whenever business asks the profit from the partners, what will happen? The partners capital account will be debited, because now the partners needs to pay the wrong distribution of profit back to the business. So their capital account needs to be debited. Profit divided equally, that is the wrong distribution of profit. Now they will pay to the firm means their capital account will be reduced. Debited capital account. Equally means 72,000 is the total amount of net profit distributed wrongly. So Rohit needs to pay back to the firm 24,000, Raman 24,000 and Raina 24,000. They have taken the profit in wrong ratio. So they will pay back this profit. That is why we are debiting their capital accounts. So finally now we will see the net effect. Rohit needs to get from firm 34,150. Rohit needs to pay to the firm 24,000. Finally, Rohit will get from firm 1,150. If you see Raman's capital account, Raman will get from firm 25,260. Raman will pay to the firm 24,000. Finally, Raman will get from firm 1,260. Now, Raina needs to get from firm 12,590. Raina will pay to the firm 24,000. Finally, Raina will pay to the firm 11,410. That is the debit balance of Raina. Now we are going to what? We are going to pass the adjustment journal entry. which only one capital account is debited. Raina's capital account debit 11,410. To Rohit capital account, Rohit will get 1,150. To Raman capital account, Raman will get 1,260. Being adjustment entry made. Any doubt in this question? Very, very important question. Please do practice. Very important. Any doubt, Roshni, Amrita, you are having in this question? Yes, Amrita, Roshni, any doubt you are having?
No, ma'am.
Please do practice yourself. After the class, please start practicing these questions. Very, very important. Okay, that's all for today. Tomorrow we will do the admission. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, dear. Thank you.